That's my friend, Alex. This is my friend Arcadeland's classroom.
Hay là nước cái phòng cửa không?
And this is our locker, and this is a picture of all of us. Like here, the picture. Look what's that? Acho que não escuridão.
Our classroom. Of course, this is our specialist.
And this is library.
Whoa. Hi, thanks for coming in. Who's with you?
My mom and my sister.
What's your sister's name?
Aisha.
Aisha. How old is she?
5. Almost 5. Like 4. Can we do the where I sit in a library, and if you do a good job, you get like you write your name and the ticket here, then put it here, and each Friday they're gonna choose your name. So if you got choose, and you're gonna have a prize like these. And this is like in second grade, first class. You can get all the blocks, and you get a party, like popcorn party, pizza party, and this is all the stuff for party. Vampire name, and this is the books here we already read, and there are lots of books and scissors. Okay, next I'm going to show you the art room. And I'm going to show you the books here. And here you can buy books with my toys, with my friends.
Hey there. How you doing, baby?
And this is a book where you buy books. It's like $1, $2. And this is all the books, and there are the books with the mermaid. A book with the toy, squishy here. Yeah. And color training. And this is the place. Now we're going home because, like, so we're going home now. So and this is my school, the whole school. This is এটা আমাদের স্কুল আর এটা আমি ওপেন হাউস ছিল আজকে সেদিন আমি যাইতেছি আসছিলাম আমার সাথে যাইতে and I bought a book. It's like this. And this is what's that eventually? I don't know. And this is the book I bought. And they're far away. Do you see the door? That is my house. And there's a pool.